Let's see, this door's still locked. Because we know they got a tendency to want to play the phone. Notice how these hoes did that as soon as we got out here? This is what these FBI cops do every day, all throughout the day. As soon as I come outside or come near the window, they start making that sound. Literally, these worthless tramps do this, circle around in my vicinities, just to make these noise disturbances every day, all throughout the day and night. This ain't no joke. That's why it's caught on tape. And that's why I record. Otherwise, it wouldn't be believed.